Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make white chocolate mousse. It's real good and it's only 2 ingredients. Let's get started. Alright, get a mixing bowl that's microwave safe, put it in about 130 grams of white chocolate. And then add to this 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds on high, then give it a stir, then repeat that until it's nice and melted. But do not burn it. Alright, so that's ready. Now just wait this to cool for about 20 minutes, then we'll get on to the next stage. Let's get a smaller medium bowl and put in about 240 mils of heavy cream. Then get an electric mixer and then whip it until it's pale and creamy. Then, there's the done. Now what we want to do is fold the cream in. Just do about half first. Alright, beautiful. Now just get out like a bowl or a glass or something. And then put the mixture in. Alright, beautiful. Now to put this in the fridge for about half an hour so that way it'll set and then you'll be ready to eat. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for white chocolate mousse, as you can see. Oh man, so good. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, delectable. So, thank you guys so much for watching another recipe. A new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.